Hi, I'm Shelley. Welcome to the Monroe by Homes by Gerbus. I'm sure what you're going to notice are the incredible views that we have here in Martin's Gate. At nearly 4,000 square feet, the Monroe features 5 levels with 4 finished levels of actual living. Is gourmet cooking your thing? How about this gourmet kitchen? It doesn't get much better than this. Gorgeous countertops, beautiful custom cabinetry, Thermador appliances. One of the things I love most about Freedom Rail by Organized Living is the adjustability. You can adjust the layout, you can adjust the height to maximize your space. How about we go upstairs and we take some more of the tour? This level of the Monroe is really dedicated to the family that lives here. This is the floor that all of our bedrooms are located on, and one of my favorite rooms in the entire house. Come on in and check out this laundry room. Who wouldn't want to do laundry in this space? Or how about washing your dog? At Homes by Gerbus, we really do believe that dream homes deserve dream closets. That's why we're happy to feature Organized Living's Freedom Rail system. Hey guys, come on up. The weather's fine when you get to the top level of the Monroe. And if you don't feel like doing all these stairs, this home includes an elevator. The upper level of the Monroe definitely has a cool factor about it. This space in our home has been designed 100% for entertaining friends and family, whether it's the custom designed audio video system or the wine bar or the amazing outdoor living space. I mean, who wouldn't love snacks and refreshments in a space like this? Looking for a place to escape? How about the lower level recreation room? Thanks again for stopping by. We hope you've enjoyed your tour of the Monroe by Homes by Gerbus.